Here we go. Question 2. First thing that you need to do is you need to count how many points there are. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure I didn't miss one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, I missed one, didn't I?
Just 10.
8, 9, 10. Thank you. I've missed 2. Horrible start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And note as well, this particular coordinate here is clearly an outlier. And when there are outliers, the 3 median regression line is what you need to be using, because outliers are not affected when you find it using the median. So it's not actually going to be affected by the outliers. So with 10 points, you divide that by 3. That's 9 plus 1, which means that you are going to have 3. The plus 1 will go in the middle one, so 3, 4, and 3. So dividing this into the lower, the middle, and the upper, 1, 2, 3, dotted line, to say this is the lower, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the middle.
Do you do it evenly, or does it not matter as long as it's 3 in each?
No, but I just want to learn it.
In this case, it's not 3 in each.
Or 3, 4, 3.
3, 4, 3. So the lines themselves aren't going to be particularly even. And in fact, you could use a ruler straight up and down. But as long as you've got the correct number of points in each one, I think this line here did a little bit of a weave. I could have done that better going straight up and down. However, what you're looking for is 3 in the lower group, 4 in the middle group in this case, and 3 in the upper group. We now need to work out the median of each group. So in the lower group here, we've got 1, 2, and 3. That's nice and easy to find the middle or the median. With our x coordinates, the middle is going to be this one here. So dotted line going through the middle coordinate. On the y-axis, we've got one here, here, and here. And so this one here is our middle. Where those two cross is your median of your lower group, XL, YL. And you need to write the coordinate of that in there. So to work out the coordinate, in this particular case, looking at the scale on the bottom, each of these goes up by 1, so that's 156, 157. And reading directly across, that is 160. So we now work out the median of the middle. Now in this case, we've got 4 x values, 2, 3, and 4. And so we're going to be looking for halfway between this coordinate and halfway between this coordinate. So drawing in the dotted line at 164.5. Going across to the y-axis, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points, so we want halfway between this coordinate and this coordinate. Penny, Ethan? So halfway between these values here, you're looking at 169 here. And this one looks to be 172, 4, 6, 8, 171. So 169 plus 172, I think it is, divided by 2. We've got our y coordinate at 170.5. This one's a little bit harder to work out because it's a little bit faint on here, but if you have a look at the actual division of the units, you'll be able to see that this here, this one, should be at 172. Is that right? 72, 71, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Oh, no, you know, that works.
Yeah?
Somewhat. I hope.
All right, median of the upper group. We've got 1, 2,
Is that 3 actually?
and 3 coordinates. So the middle is going to be this one here, 173. So drawing in your dotted line through the middle. Going to your y-axis, drawing in your dotted line through the middle, marking it in, and you've got your median of your lower, your middle, and your upper. Once you've got to that point, you then want to line up on your lower and your upper medians, and this is what you're going to use to actually get your gradient. This is not your regression line. That is the line that you're going to use for your gradient. You then move that 1/3 of the way towards your median of the middle group. Draw in your regression line, ensuring that it does not go through any of the 3 medians. To calculate your gradient, you're going to use the upper median and the lower median, because the gradient of the line formed by those 2 points will be the same as the gradient of the 3 median regression line because they are parallel. So 178 minus 160, 173 minus 157, and that equals 1.125. Your y-intercept can be read directly off the graph, which is 152. So the equation of the 3 median regression line is 1.125x plus 152.